To Him be the glory forever and ever. Amen and amen.
We are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a peculiar people, that we should show forth the praises of Him who has called us out of darkness, out of darkness, out of darkness, into His marvelous light, into His marvelous light. We are the chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a peculiar people, that we should show forth the praises of Him who has called us out of darkness, out of darkness, out of darkness, into His marvelous light, into His marvelous light. We are the chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a peculiar people, that we should show forth the praises of Him who has called us out of darkness, out of darkness, out of darkness, into His marvelous light, into His marvelous light. We are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a people belonging to God, that we may declare His greatness, of Him who called us out of darkness into His
Station. And with
marvelous
love and thanksgiving in our heart, let us give our wave offering. Praise the
We
Father.
are a chosen